for the next session on Leadership Masterclass. So, what is leadership? Leadership is an art, science, talent, and creativity nurtured over a period of time. So, and this brings us all to think of a very important question, and I'm sure you all must have thought about it once in your lifetime, that are leaders born or are leaders made? So we have our eminent guest, Dr. Rita Shah. Ma'am, please come. And who is a leadership coach, founder, director of Crest Education, and she has a big list of degrees with her. She's has done engineering from IIT Delhi. She has, okay, that's sorry, ma'am. Okay, she has education training for last 25 years and has been training a big organization like IIT, IIM, Indore, ICAL, CRISL, and so on. And her seminar has helped over 25,000 people all over India. And her initiative on women's program is well known, like Super Women Unleashed. So let's welcome on stage Dr. Rita Shah. Ma'am, please come.
Good afternoon. I'm not going to stand there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so will it be fine if I walk around? Yeah, because I don't think this is a one way. Are you going to participate 100% in this? Yeah? Absolutely? I might tell you to stand up and do something. So if you have some things on your lap, please keep them aside. Be absolutely free. And the more you interact, more value you will get, especially people who are really wanting to start, right? So let me throw a question to you. What's leadership for you? When I say leadership, what comes to your mind? Sorry? To lead a team, like there are people and you're managing them, right? What else? Motivating people, like you're actually inspiring people to take action. Yeah, and it sounds so well, but is there anybody who's already startup and doing some work and all? At least few, yeah. And then it sounds so well. And in reality, whom you have to motivate? You have to motivate that peon. Please jaake check leke aao na yaar. Yeah? And he's not ready to listen. You have to motivate somebody to make few calls so that your customers come for that event or that product or whatever. Right? So we'll see the realities of both, but what leadership really comes to us. The reality is very different. But what it actually comes to us. Motivating people, leading team, what else? Creating more leaders. Someone with whom you can connect. So can you elaborate thoda sa more? So she's saying when we say that a leader is somebody who is motivating and somebody who is actually inspiring us, is a person to whom we can connect to, who is reachable. Okay, that's what you mean, right? What else is leader for you? Sorry? So somebody who gives direction to people, right? Yeah, and something else somebody said? So somebody, a leader is someone who will enable a person to move to the next level. Yeah? And what else? A person who will set an example by doing what he speaks, right? Yeah. And you said a person who is a people's person, who will, by people's person, what possibly she's trying to tell is somebody who can manage people well, who understand people well, who can drive people well, and if I have to say in layman's language, लोगों से काम करवाना जिसको आता हो. In reality, it's like लोग काम कर सकते हैं, उनको manage करना पड़ता है, right? Sorry? Lead by example is exactly what he said. So when we say lead by example, reality, I'm going to take you to two aspects, okay? one what we think it is, and when you start a business, what actually is going to happen, or what reality many a times comes across. So when we say leader is a lead by example, and then when you come to reality, here it is like, you're trying to tell your team, sales itna hona chahiye. And your team is actually wanting you to do some sales and lead by examples. And you're thinking that जब तक मैंने कुछ नहीं किया ना काम, कुछ होता नहीं है. Yes or no? Yeah? So sometimes the realities are different than what we think. And we're going to work it. Somebody asked me around 20 minutes back when we were having talk on what are you going to teach. So I just forgot to create that in the beginning, and let me just come to that moment and create. So I'm not going to teach anything. I do not give anything to anyone. I am actually going to take away something from you. What I believe is you know everything. You have everything. What's required is to uncover and discover yourself. You have immense potential. You have all the capabilities and knowledge that is required. If not, you can always acquire. But what's very, very important is for you to discover what you are doing, how you are doing, for what are you doing that, right? So I'm going to just help you to keep discovering for yourself. So all that we are saying, please start looking into your life and start looking at how you are. So when you are saying lead by example, you can look into your life and say, see, are you really leading by example? You're telling this should be done, but in reality, what are you doing? You're telling people not to procrastinate. Are you really procrastinating? Are you doing things in time, or are you postponing it? Right? So if we keep looking at our lives, then all the learning will be useful, because we have enough learning. What we are missing out is on how do we apply this learning and utilize it to move to the next level. So who I am is a growth coach, and I help people and organizations to understand their potentials and push and achieve what they thought will happen 10 years down the line, or which they thought will never happen. So that's who I am, and that's what I'm going to do with you in this time, right? So what else is leadership? So let me take one small activity. Five people, you can stand up if you want, please. All like the row can be divided like this. 5 people, or 5 or 6, whatever. Just make groups of 5, 6 people. Can you all stand up for a minute? It's a good exercise if you stand up. Yeah. Now, around 5 or 6 people on one side, these are the groups. Now, when I say 3, 2, 1, at that time I'll tell you to do an activity. And this activity will be done pretty fast. Now, after the activity is over, I'm going to tell you to tell me what happened, what you thought, what not. So right now I want your 100% out here. Are you ready with 100% out here? Yes. Now decide your group. If you want, come little out in aisles so that you'll be comfortable. Don't worry. It's a class. थोड़ा बाहर आना है तो आ सकते हो, ऐसे ही खड़ा रहना है तो रह सकते हो. Right? And especially youngsters. And I'm the youngest one. A lot of us are youngest ones. Maybe, I don't know. So done? All the groups form, you are aware who are your team members? Right? Now, when I say 3, 2, 1, I will tell you to do something, and you will be doing it pretty fast. Okay? In that group. 3, 2, 1. Choose one leader. Okay, done? Everybody's got a leader? Please come back. Can you clap for yourself? I'll tell you what you have done. Sit down. Now sit down. Now I want people to tell me, how did you choose the leader? Now, 1 second. Now, no talking. Listen. Listen. Let's go back to that moment when you did that activity. And I said, choose your leader. right? Now, in that moment, some conversation came to your head. You said something to yourself. You thought something to yourself. And based on what you spoke and based on what you thought, you took an action. Right? So, couple of people, raise your hands. What actually happened in that activity? Share. There was one more mic here, no? Yeah. No, this mic, if we can just pass on. So, you just give it to someone and then they'll pass on. Who want to say what happened in that activity?
The first thing which came in my mind is why shouldn't I? Because I need to overcome my flaws and I need to go ahead with life, conquering that. So that's
Great.
why.
Thank you. Yes, why shouldn't be I? Can I have some youngster managing the mic? Sir, आप बैठो आराम से. आपने इतना अच्छा organization किया है, तो I think somebody will manage. Don't worry. Yes, someone here?
I could also give an opinion.
Yeah, sure.
The first thing that came to my mind was to select a leader who would have a leadership quality would be based on experience. I think experience is one thing that I count more.
So you looked around for people's
Yes.
experience and you chose yourself or you chose?
No, I chose somebody who was much elder to the others in the group. So I counted the grey hairs rather and chose the leader.
Okay. She also did same, that somebody who seemed to be senior was chosen in her group as a leader. You were saying something, sir? Pass mic here.
There were two factors. One is the comfort and one is the experience actually. So
What do you mean by comfort?
comfort meaning I know the person, I mean he is capable of, and that's the reason
I chose. Okay. Okay. Who
comfort
else?
to work with basically.
Who put forth saying, I'm going to be the leader? Who put forth saying that I'm going to be the leader? One person? You said I'll be the leader? And others agreed? Yeah, very good. So that was only one person or two people? Two people, right. Okay. How many people wanted to be leader but at that moment thought, how can I say I want to be a leader? Hello? Did that thought come? See, there was very small time, but your mind worked in that small time pretty fast. Yes. Huh. So the thought just... No, I'm not talking about fear. I'm not talking about fear. At that moment, when leader has to be chosen, right? And the thought comes that I can be a leader, but I don't take action. Whether it's fear, whether it is stop, whether it is whatever it is. I don't want to right now get into the reasons. And that doesn't mean you are not a great leader. You have already shared your story and you are an amazing person. I really acknowledge you for the kind of work you have done.
Thank you.
So that's awesome. What I'm trying to make people aware is we have in our mind certain conversations, certain words which are given to our own self. And those words dominate our actions. Not what is your goal or what is your dream or what is your passion. Underneath that, each time you have to take an action, what's going to drive you is certain conversations about you and people. Like someone said, grey hair. So who can be a leader? An experienced person. Somebody may say, who can be a leader? Somebody who looks like a leader. You know, दिखने में smart है, communication अच्छा है, लोगों से बात कर सकता है, people person लगता है शायद. Are you getting it? Now, what are they? But what are they? These are all your conversations, right? Now, yeah, your beliefs. So your beliefs reside in our human mind in the form of what? Yeah, the thoughts also remain in the form of what? Words. We all have words in our dictionaries, right? And these words are the conversations which will decide what you do or you don't do. If you have a conversation about yourself that I'm the world's best leader, and this opportunity comes, what are you going to take action as? You'll say, I am the leader. Do you get that? So, a lot of MBA students here, right? And if I say the people who are going to be the leaders are the people who are going to be recruited by Apple, people would have jumped up, right? More of them. Why? Because right now, what's important for me is being a leader. Yeah? And in this exercise, chalta if I'm not a leader. Hello? Now, are you a leader all the time? Not all the time, right? And you choose to be a leader at times, and you choose to be a follower at times. Yeah? You know, we entrepreneurs, yes, sir. Absolutely. You are leader always, but you choose to be leaders in some situations. Like, you know, if your peon did not bring the check, you will become a very strong leader. या पर घर पे जाओगे और बीवी ने अगर बोला कि लेट आ गए तो शायद फिर लीडरशिप तभी तो I'm just taking home front because that's something which is very common. You can relate to, right? No, I'm not saying that you are not a leader or you are a leader. We all are a leader. You know that 5-year-old child who's playing with 3-4 children there? If you see, he will become a leader sometime and tell everybody, चलो चलो हम लोग वहाँ जाके खेलते हैं. He's being a leader. And then somebody will say, नहीं नहीं हमको वो पसंद नहीं है, वो नहीं खेलना है, उससे अच्छा हम वहाँ जाते हैं, वहाँ pink ball है. And then if everybody listens, he becomes a leader. So, you know, leadership is there within you. You are choosing to use it or not to use it based on what? Your conversation. वाइफ के साथ पंगा लेना नहीं है, कल सुबह को अच्छे से खा पी के घर से निकलना है, छोड़ो ना. So that time that leadership is not required. What's important is that relationship, right? So the priorities have changed, but when it comes to peon and if he has not done some work or your salesperson, if I didn't speak, my other workers will get a message and then they will also do the same. Now you become a leader. Are you getting it? Yeah? So is there any one style of leadership? What is the style of leadership? Multidimensional, situational, people driven, process driven, action driven, priorities driven. So can somebody put someone and say, this is a formula for leadership? और अगर इतना सब है तो you are a great leader. No. No. So if you are looking from I'm from a transformation industry, HR industry. If you look from the culture point of view, we'll say Tatas to work as a company, other great companies. Now I'm also a chartered accountant. So let me give a little brief. What she didn't share is I'm basically a chartered accountant. Way back I did my CA final, rank holder, did my law, got married. Post marriage, I did my MCom, MBA in HR because I wanted to do transformation work. I did MPhil. And the last one, I share my dais with the earlier speaker. One connection that we have common is I did my PhD in finance from IIT Bombay in 2015. And after marriage, 4 degrees, pre-marriage 2 degrees, and I am a mother of 3 lovely children and a wonderful husband. That's my family. And the reason why I am sharing this, especially for the young girls, is, you know, we begin in our life like we want to be that. And then at some point, certain conversations tell us, no, if you want to choose, you have to choose between career and family. And I want you to understand, especially for boys, that you are the people who can support them to come out of the guilt of not being able to manage family very well when others keep telling them that, you know, you are out and you're not taking care of. So younger generation, my experience, I do a lot of work with women. Younger generation has already been very, very supportive and proactive in supporting both the gender in doing things and all. So the reason I shared my life is I believe strongly that it's not men or women as a characteristic, it is who you are as a person. Sometimes women are more of men in the business world is what we have been seeing. So leadership is your choice. You are leader all the time, but you give up being leader at times. Why? So I now want to ask people in that exercise, some of you might have thought to be a leader but did not volunteer, or, you know, three things could have happened. One, you said this person to be a leader. You chose straight some other person. You didn't even think about yourself. You didn't even think about you as a leader. When leadership bola to koi aur suja. One. Second, you said I am the leader, मैं बनता हूँ. So two extremes हो गए. And now middle path was where you thought you can be a leader, but you didn't speak up. आपने नहीं बोला कि मुझे लीडर बनना है. And the fourth can be, आपने कुछ नहीं सोचा, लेकिन लोगों ने आपको लीडर बना दिया. Like, you didn't think that I will be leader, but somebody nominated you and said, this person should be the leader. Right? Now I want the third and fourth category, mostly third category. कुछ सोचा लीडर बनना है, but I didn't speak up. That moment was what?
Actually, there is one more aspect to it.
Yes.
What happened in my mind was, I just concentrated on your words that I have to choose, and therefore a choice was made, and therefore the question itself went with, the question itself didn't inspire the thought that even the choice includes even me.
Yeah.
And therefore it was like who around us was to be made,
Right.
was a choice.
Right. Brilliant. Thank you. Because I never say, thank you so much. Because I never say choice means exclude you. Hello? Now I want you to get, this is how we process information and thoughts. We make up. It's not reality. We make up based on our own beliefs. You know, there's one story of honeybee which I usually share in all my seminars. I love that story. Okay, so can I tell a story to you all? Some of you may know it, but still I would share. It's a very beautiful story. So you know how they collect honeybees? They put honeybees in the jar, right? And once the honeybees are trapped in the jar, the lid is on. Now what does this honeybee try to do? The honeybee tries to come out of the jar. So let's say jar is still here. So the honeybee is traveling up, tongue, sar pe laga. So honeybee took a turn, went down. Again honeybee tries to come up, tongue, sar pe laga. So then honeybee goes down. Now honeybee becomes smart. Now what does honeybee do is, this is the level. And now honeybee is taking a turn even before it touches the surface. Gone down. Again. Again, again. Now, they observe this behavior. And maybe cost cutting. I'm a finance person, so that's the only thing I can think of. They remove the lid off and use it for other jars. Now, the honeybees but are unaware that the lid is now not there. So, the honeybees are yet traveling in a direction, take turn, go up, take turn, go up, and so on. Now, what is this phenomena of honeybee? This phenomena of honeybee is we. We have a great idea, we have a great vision, we have a great passion, and we start something with a great expectation about future, and we began. The phenomena is our life itself. But in the process, we forgot why were we doing what we were doing. And we get into the routines. There may be one honeybee who maybe attended Statoscope, listened to some inspiring stories, and thought, I'll take that plunge, I'll take that risk, no matter what. And tries, comes out. What's available to this honeybee? The whole world of possibilities, right? Anything is possible now. What is this phenomena of honeybee for us? This lid is the lid of your thoughts, your beliefs, your conversations, which tell you इतना ही करना है. Experience वाला leader होगा, which will tell you choose करना है तो दूसरों को करना है, which will tell you if you are a leader, you have to manage people well, you have to be a people's person, you may go out of the way to please people. You can't be dictator, or you have to be a dictator. You have to ensure people are in time, people do not take disadvantage. You may experience or you may think that people are not to be trusted, and you will keep watching on your employees and all. Now all this are nothing but your conversations. And we all carry this list. Check in your life, you have a list. You have a list about people. अगर कोई ऐसा दिखता है तो इसका मतलब ये ऐसा है, टिक. अगर कोई पैसे के साथ ऐसा मैनेज करता है, इसका मतलब वो वेस्टेज करता है, टिक. अगर कोई पैसा बहुत बचाता है तो ये कंजूस है, टिक. Yes or no? And not necessarily so. Yeah, but where does the judgment come again from? See, your judgment and my judgment could be different. I know being judgmental, but we all are judgmental. Being human is being judgmental. You cannot not be judgmental. But what is the judgmental? You are looking at something and and we do that all along, right? For good and bad, both. I am saying when you do that through a reference which is your list of reference. Like if suppose I called you up and I said I'll meet you at 5 o'clock and I reached at 5 minutes to 5, you were already there. Now you may think that I'm before time or I'm in time, and if I came at 5:25, you may think, हाँ शायद traffic में late हो गया होगा, and somebody else will think in a different way. How come? Your rule book may say being in time is important. For somebody else, rule book may say if you are not in time, that means it's the worst thing that can happen. The world will collapse. And that person would become furious. And the other person may not become furious. You getting that? So how come two people in the same situation reacted differently? Through what? Through your rule book. I want you to see your rule book right now in your life. Because your rule book is nothing but the conversations about people, situations, tasks, the way of doing things, about the resources. Okay, so a lot of startup here, right? Let me give you one very critical thing. You also have a conversation about money. Tell me what's your conversation about money. Tell me what's your conversation about money. Some of you. What's your conversation about money? Okay, so money is something that is very difficult to manage. Is your conversation? Right? I have no idea how money comes in, how money goes out. Right? That's your conversation? Kitna bhi kamao. This is exactly I wanted. You know, we really need to go to the क्या बोलते हैं एकदम bottom. एकदम सत्य जो खराब है पर वही हाँ मिलता ही नहीं है, पैसा जल्दी आता ही नहीं है, आता है तो छूट जाता है, आजू बाजू वाले लेके जाते हैं. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू सो मच. व्हाट एल्स? What else? 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 Sorry? How to save money? पैसा ठिकाना कैसे है? मतलब हर कॉन्वर्सेशन अंडरनीथ कुड बी कि आता है तो चला जाता है, टिकता नहीं है. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Now, I'm not going to go too much into deeper, but I want you to get that you have conversations about everything. About relationship, about money, about people, about resources, about situations, about opportunities, everything. Like somebody will say, wow, that's a great opportunity. I can start a Marathi Bhasha, portal, and it's doing so well. So listening to him, what came to me, I'm a hardcore entrepreneur. I'm a business coach. So for me, the ideas keep coming up like every moment, and I keep giving ideas to people. Moment he spoke about Marathi online and all, I had a brilliant idea, something about myself. I'm going to do that. I'm not going to share that because that idea is worth millions, of course, right? But I'll definitely thank you for that. No, that he already said. That's not a brilliant idea. Okay, now he's going to be behind me. I'm telling you straight to see what am I doing. Okay, you'll see that. I'm just trying to tell you what, we have conversations about things. So somebody may have conversation based on what you shared. Wow, what a great idea. Let me look at what else can I do in a similar thing, right? Which we call in our business scenario is a blue ocean strategy. How many of you are aware about blue ocean strategy? Right? When you do something हटके, जो सब कर रहे हैं ना, which is red ocean strategy, मतलब सब लोग shoes बेच रहे हैं, आप भी shoes बेच रहे हो, तो ये typical market है. तो कुछ नया नहीं कर रहे हो आप. A blue ocean strategy is जहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं और आप वो market create कर रहे हो. आपके पास आपने वो नया एक avenue open कर दिया है, like इन्होंने किया है. I can say Statoscope could be one of those blue ocean strategy. There may be one or two more, but they have ventured into that, which not many people. Now, for all the startups, moment you venture into a blue ocean, मतलब कि जो बहुत कम लोगों ने venture किया है, बहुत कम लोगों ने वहाँ पे कुछ try out किया है, then you can be the leaders if you did things well. And we have multiple examples of that, right? We have all the great businesses, startups, etc., which are doing well. Most of them started when nobody was there in that market, including Amazon, Flipkart, and all that. So the blue ocean strategy is doing something new. I'm saying, जब इन्होंने कुछ किया तो conversation, somebody would say, wow, I can think of what others are. And somebody would have said, अच्छा इसने मराठी में किया, हिंदी में किया, मेरा तेलुगु पे possibility है, तो मैं अभी तेलुगु में. Now, is it red ocean or a blue ocean? Red ocean. He's already there. He's already done Marathi and Hindi. If you're going to do one more, I'm not saying not good idea. If you're doing one more, then that's not, I'll finish in 5 minutes. Yes, I got that. Thank you. I was about to ask, what is the time? Because there was no watch here and I was wondering. I didn't start.
Leadership.
Yeah?
Tried leadership this
Sorry?
way. This way I tried a leadership skill, right? Trying to lead in some
absolutely,
way.
no problem.
Sorry.
No issues. You are a leader. So leaders are not always on the forefront. In fact, somebody who could lead from behind could be a far better leader and allow others to take the stage. Is a far better leader. So coming back to strategies, blue ocean, and so let's talk about our leadership. Why do we venture here and why not? Again, your conversation. What I want you to be left with is each one is a leader. When were you leader, you know that? When you were born. Why? Why were you leader when you were born? You fought with that 1 million sperms and you were the only one which came to this planet Earth. Can you clap for yourself? Not aware? Yeah? So you are a leader, born leader, but you are choosing to be or not to be based on your conversation. I'll leave with you this one food for thought. Every time you're doing something or you're not doing something, a litmus test two-step. I want to do something, ask a question, why? I'm not doing something, ask a question, why not? And the conversations that are coming to your head is where you can change the conversation and take them to the next level. Yes, sir.
I have a question here.
Yes, sir.
Before you wind up. This is a class, as you said, it's a classroom. It's
Yes.
really a class, master class. So when we are thinking of any startup or inclination,
Yes.
so the leadership comes when I'm starting as a one-person company,
Hmm?
and the same leadership, how can we keep or how can we seed while we are starting as an individual startup,
Hmm.
that my company, if it grows to multi-crore or multi-billion-dollar company, I should be the leader, because most of the cases leaders are then brought in when it comes to scale state.
Okay. So your question is that
any parameter or any tip
I'll
we should
tell you.
consider.
Yeah, so what he's asking question is, and I'll allow one or two more questions also if we have time and you can bear hunger for another time. See, your leadership, what is leadership when you start a company as an individual, and then when your company grows up, what vision can you have, and would you continue to be a leader, or would you bring leader in? So what is the mantra for it? Now I'll only tell you one thing, that what the only mantra in your life for you is, ask yourself, why are you doing what you are doing? What is your purpose of doing this business? Now, if this business is growing so well, Marathi Bhasha, MarathiPizza.com is growing very, very well, and it needs another leader to be brought in. Now, if that moment, if his conversation is of possessiveness and I can't give away my baby to someone, even to manage, you can keep the stakes with you, but baby to manage, then that is what will kill the business even before it grows. So it's not about you. Primarily in this world, nothing is about you. All that we do, everything that we do, you got to be asking question is, how can I forward the other person? How can I forward this world? And how can I make a contribution to the world out there? And for the startups, one thing that I would say, like he has given an example, is an example of social entrepreneurship. And if you do anything in social entrepreneurship, that's what right now is a big thing. Like a Startoscope is a social entrepreneurship. There is no problem if you earn money. But what I'm saying is, what's your purpose of earning that money? Is your purpose to make people, to make chips and make people fat and unhealthy? Then it's not social entrepreneurship. But if your purpose is to reconnect to your language and keeping that language alive, then that's a social entrepreneurship. So your purpose of doing something, and all the youngsters, when you start a company, if you have a purpose with you, and that purpose is so huge that you are not alone. Like my purpose of my life is to empower people and develop organizations and people and move to the next level. India being #1 globally is what I stand for. And this is what is the purpose. Now, if I come to you and I tell you that this is what I'm really passionate about doing, you call me anywhere, I'm ready to come and I'm ready to deliver a session or a seminar. Would you be interested in joining with me on my life's journey purpose? Now, are you passionate about your purpose? Your leadership is about your conversation. And the reason I emphasized on conversation is, we all have all leadership qualities. We miss out because this limiting beliefs, conversations, thoughts keep pulling us behind. तेरे से नहीं होगा. 5 करोड़ का धंधे का मत सोच, 50 लाख का सोचते हैं ना. मेरे को ही चेक लिखना है. I can't appoint an MBA guy with 30,000 payment because मेरी बजी पड़ी है. Do you get that? So if you have your vision and purpose in place, you will be able to have that conviction and move ahead in time, and all that will come in your way only is your conversation. And that is the reason I want all those naughty conversations and useless conversations to be pulled out and thrown and create an empowering one. So I think that's, did I answer your question? Yes. Thank you so much. Any 1 or 2 more questions and then we'll wind up? One question if anyone has. Fine? right? You could connect to me on reta.crest, Crest Education is the name of my company, rita.crest@gmail.com. I also have a seminar coming up in April. Follow me on Facebook in Pune. I'm mostly in Bombay and I'm doing my work in Bombay, but I have a seminar incidentally coming up in April, on 23rd of April. So connect to me. Otherwise also you could connect to me through email. I always love to help people and support and make them grow. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much for the patient hearing and participation. Thank you.
Thank you once again, ma'am, for those active session. You really moved us, not only physically, but mentally. So thanks for inspiring women and the importance of conversation and importance of uniqueness to become leader. So thank you once again, ma'am.